Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rohit Ghosh and today we're gonna make one of my two most favorite refreshing drinks, mango iced tea and lemon iced tea. But before that, so let's make these drinks, shall we? So first off, we're gonna start off by making a mango iced tea. So for that, we need 2 cups of water, that is 472 ml of water. So we're gonna add the water in a pot and then we're gonna boil the water. So as the water starts to boil and it looks like this, we're gonna off the stove and we're gonna add our tea leaves. I added about 2 teaspoons of tea leaves. You can either add tea bags if you have. You can use Earl Grey or Darjeeling or any tea you like. And so once we have done that, we're going to close it with a lid and we're going to let the tea mature in the water. So meanwhile, I'm going to remove the pulp of the mangoes. So in order to do that, I'm slicing the mango in lengthwise and then I'm going to remove the pulp. So before that, I'm making some nice cubes because I just like it. And you can do the same if you like because it looks really beautiful. See, that is how it looks. So once we have done that, I'm going to add pulp of 2 mangoes in a blending jar. So now I'm going to blend it to make a fine puree out of it. You can use a mixer if you want. So I'm using a hand blender here and it's not working because of course I forgot to plug it in. So once we have plugged it in, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar to it. You can adjust the sweetness according to how sweet your mango is. So once we have done that, I'm going to puree it and it should be really smooth and it should look just like this. So now in a blender, I'm going to add our mango puree. To that, I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of lemon juice and then our cool down tea brew mixture. And I'm going to blend it really well so that everything is incorporated and it should look just like this. So it should be a little bit thick because of the mango puree, and now we're going to assemble it all together. So now for the assembly part, I'm taking a glass jar and in that I'm adding few mint leaves. I torn the mint leaves apart so that it releases its flavor in the glass jar. So now I'm going to add some ice cubes. I added about 5 to 6 ice cubes in the glass jar, but you can add more if you want, but remember it would dilute the flavor of the mango iced tea. Then I added 3 to 4 lemon slices and finally I'm adding a mango tea mixture. And that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna garnish it with a lemon slice, a little bit of mint leaves and a straw, and that's it. That's how simple it is. You can make it in like 15 to 20 minutes if you want, and it's done. So now for the lemon iced tea, it's almost as similar as to the mango iced tea. So firstly in a pot, I'm adding 2 cups of water. To that I'm adding some fresh lemongrass. The lemongrass really enhances the flavors of the lemon iced tea. So I'm chopping it up so that it releases its flavor in the water, and then I added 2 teaspoons of tea leaves to it and then let it cool, and it looked just like this. So once the mixture is cooled down completely, we are going to assemble it. So for that, in a glass jar, I'm pouring up some mint leaves, I'm adding it to it, and then I'm adding a few ice cubes. I added about 5 to 6 ice cubes. Then I'm adding 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and then 1.5 tablespoon of sugar syrup. Three to 4 lemon slices. And then our lemongrass brewed mixture. We're gonna fill it to the brim and then we're gonna garnish it with a lemon slice, a few mint leaves, a straw, and that's it. That's all you need to do for 2 beautiful and refreshing iced teas. It doesn't look beautiful and you can make this with few minutes. You don't need some fancy equipment or you don't need any fancy ingredients for it. It's just that simple. So do try this recipe out. Let me know your feedback in the comment section below or on my Instagram handle _Rohit_Ghosh, and hit that bell icon and of course the subscribe button. Till then, I'm gonna meet you in the next video.